subscribe to our channel.
9 reasons to start your day with fresh lemonade. 1. Fresh lemonade keeps you hydrated. One of the reasons why it's a good idea to drink fresh lemonade on an empty stomach in the morning is because your body has lost moisture overnight. Liquids are lost through sweat and urine, so they need to be replaced with a healthy and refreshing beverage. 2. It prevents urinary tract infections. The antiviral and antimicrobial properties of this beverage are key to preventing and treating infections that affect your urinary tract. Consuming this daily on an empty stomach helps remove harmful bacteria that tends to proliferate in your kidneys and bladder. 3. It's very low in calories. A lot of people prefer to drink coffee in the morning because this beverage activates the brain and wakes you up to start your workday. But what few people know is that fresh lemonade has similar benefits to coffee, while also having fewer calories. The juice of one lemon in a glass of water contains only 6 calories and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 4. It prevents oxidative damage. Lemons contain a significant amount of phytonutrients, a type of antioxidant that prevents damage from free radicals that damage tissues throughout your body. This means that when you consume lemon juice, it protects you from premature aging from the inside. 5. It provides vitamin C. As most people already know, one lemon contains more than 1/6 of your daily recommended amount of vitamin C. This essential nutrient slows cellular damage, promotes the regeneration of skin cells and assists your recovery from various types of injuries. 6. It balances your body's pH. Many people mistakenly believe that the sour flavor of lemons means that it increases your body's acid levels. On the contrary, it's been shown that lemons are one of the best natural alkaline foods, helping to improve your metabolism and restore the body's pH. 7. It strengthens your immune system. Another function of the vitamin C found in lemons is that it increases your body's immune system response. When you drink lemonade to start your day, it improves your defenses and prevents the development of viral diseases. 8. It improves digestion. Many of the problems that affect your digestive system can be alleviated by drinking lemon water on an empty stomach. The fiber and water content helps prevent constipation, alleviate inflammation, and fight heartburn. 9. It helps keep your skin youthful. The high content of antioxidants in lemonade also benefits the health of your skin. These substances fight free radicals and prevent the appearance of premature wrinkles. Furthermore, vitamin C increases your production of collagen and plays an important role in the skin's elasticity. It also keeps your skin hydrated, reduces excess oil production and prevents acne. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.